Thought I'd do a quick update on the birds while I'm out here in this lovely weather that we're having. Since the two big turkey girls found new homes, things have been a lot more mellow and quiet here, especially on the feed front. Instead of the feed... yeah. Instead of the feed all disappearing in a few minutes, there's actually feed left over in the bin at the end of the day. Yeah. We can afford to feed the birds again. So that's been nice. And over on the other side here, the recent development is that, yeah, this guy Snow was the top rooster up until about a day or so ago when I found him in his current bloodied and beaten up condition here. This guy got his ladies back. He is now the top rooster again. So all the girls are hanging out with him, and this guy's out in the cold, so to speak. And he looks pretty bummed out about the situation, as one would imagine. He was on top and he had it all, and I guess if you kick someone on the way up the ladder, they're gonna kick you on the way down, right, buddy? Excuse the dirtiness of the coop. It needs to be cleaned out soon, and then, well, snow happened, so that's been delayed a little bit. Yeah, you got all your ladies back? Must have been one crazy fight. I didn't see any of it. Yikes. And over here, we still have 4 ducks in need of a drake. And 2 male geese fighting over the same lady in here who's just trying to have some peace and quiet to hatch out some babies. Hi, sweetie. Loosey Goosey here is only about a year old, but has decided to give early motherhood a try, and has been on this nest for weeks now. Probably should have keeping track as to when she started getting serious about this. But she is very determined here, so we'll see what happens with these goslings. I did chase away a red fox a couple of days ago, so if there are any goslings born out here, they're probably going to have to be taken inside for their own safety until they get bigger, but we'll see what happens. Right, Lucy? You gonna have some babies?